MOVA has officially arrived at JB Hi-Fi, and they're here to clean things up, literally. Let's meet the MOVA E40 Ultra, a robot vacuum that clearly did not come to play. This thing is powered by a 90,000 RPM motor, delivering up to 19,000 PA of suction, which in real-world terms means dust, crumbs, and mystery misses don't stand a chance. And it doesn't just clean the easy bits. Thanks to the Maxi Reach Mop Tech, the E40 Ultra has an automatic extendable mop that reaches under furniture and into those tight corners where dust bunnies gather. And if you're anything like me and spend almost as much time cutting hair out of your vacuum as actually vacuuming, MOVA has thought of you. The anti-tangle side brush uses a clever 45-degree angled rubber strip to guide hair down and away from the brush. Less tangling, less maintenance, less why is there so much hair? Mopping sorted. The E40 Ultra has a built-in 80ml water tank with 3 cleaning modes. Gentle mode for pet areas, normal mode for everyday cleans, and heavy mode for those oops moments when food or drinks hit the floor and immediately ruin your day. And if your house looks lived in, shoes, cables, that piece of fitness equipment you're definitely going to use. The E40 Ultra's single-line laser obstacle avoidance detects objects and navigates around them. No getting tangled, no dramatic shutdowns. Once it's finished cleaning, the E40 Ultra heads back to its station to clean itself. The auto mop washing scrubs the mop pads clean, hot air drying dries them fast, and auto empty means dirt is stored in a massive 3.2-litre dust bag. That's up to 75 days of dust from normal cleaning, and 70 days of you not needing to deal with emptying dust. So if you're ready to stop vacuuming and start living, check out the MOVA E40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum, available now at JB Hi-Fi.